Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video, and in this video we will learn how to import data from Excel and Power BI. We already opened the Power BI desktop app in laptop, so when you open the app you will see this window. Press the Get Started button and skip the Word email step. Now you will see this window. Click the Import Data from Excel. Now you have to select the Excel file from your computer. After selecting the file, it will take some time in importing from Excel to Power BI. Data has been imported from Excel and give you two options. Either you directly load on Power BI or you want to transform data, so in this video, we simply load same sheet in Power BI without transforming the data. We will learn the how to changes in data in Power BI in next video. So now click the load button, it will take some time. Now the Excel sheet has been successfully loaded in Power BI. You can check in the right side of the window. Select Data and start Build Visualization. Thank you for watching our video. Kindly subscribe our channel for more videos.